one that you adore and love.
Good morning, guys. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, you should definitely subscribe, stick around, all of that stuff. I am going to go to Target. I'm gonna pick up some stuff for Valentine's Day because today is my Valentine's Day. So I'm gonna get all dressed up in my pink and red. I'm gonna show you guys the outfit. If you are single, celebrate with yourself, celebrate with your loved ones, okay? It's a day of love in general, not a day of couples, or it would have been called Couples Day, but it's not called Couples Day. It's Valentine's Day. And I am pre-recording this, obviously, because who's about to record and edit all in the same day? And I work on Valentine's Day. Okay, so here is the outfit. I have this little lace top that I thrifted, this dress that I got from a boutique, these earrings that I got from Five Below like 5 years ago, literally. Watch I got from my grandma, a bandana, and my custom Nike Air Force Ones. I'm going to get dressed and we're gonna go. Oh, and this is my attempt at a little Valentine's Day makeup, and I'm gonna come back home, make some cookies, make some little festive treats, you know. It's gonna be a good day. Okay, so I put on the outfit. I showed you the whole thing before, so you know, I'm going to attempt at doing my makeup, so let's time lapse through that real fast.
Is for the way you look at me. One that you adore and love is all that I can give to you. Who in love can make it? Take my heart and please don't break it. Love it from the end.
All right, I just pulled up. I changed my hair a little bit because honestly, it was too much in the way. So now I've got like this, I don't even know if it's cute. I just threw it back there.
Thank you for your Target run today.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
So of course I had to stop at Starbucks first to get myself a pink drink, fuel the rest of my Target run trip. Aside from it being very cute and aesthetic, matching the whole Valentine's Day theme, it was also very, very delicious. 10 out of 10 every time. Okay, now I'm in the beauty section because I need a lot of things, okay? I need micellar water, lotions, I need a bunch, so I'm just gonna start grabbing it. So these are all of them. This one's waterproof. It's $6. I don't really know what the difference is between all of them, so I'm just gonna get this one. Okay, I also need a lotion, so I'm gonna get some of this, even though it's $12.99. This one's dirty. Ew. Wait. I think I have the knockoff. I think I'm gonna go for the knockoff. Just this once. Just this once. As you can see, I also need to get some scrunchies, some bobby pins, aloe vera gel. I wrapped back around to the grocery section and saw those cute little Valentine's donuts, and I needed a loaf of bread because I needed food to eat. And I also was debating getting these cupcakes, but I did not because I don't need that kind of thing in my life, but they were super cute. And I was super surprised to see that the Valentine's Day section at this Target was still very stocked because usually everything is sold out for every holiday. See that? Adorable. Freaking adorable. So cute. These are so cute. How are we already doing this? How are they already on Easter? It's Easter. This is so cute. I'm gonna get these. They're $1. These are yummy. And yeah, I think that gets the job done. We're gonna peace out of Target. Really? Good enough. Yeah, I also outed myself as a YouTuber in public for the first time. I feel like I kind of broke myself in, you know? I had like my tripod sitting in the cart and like I was stopping and taking pictures and videos and all of that stuff. The cashier guy was like, "Oh, are you vlogging?" And I was like, "Yeah." And he was like, "Well, what do you make?" And I was like, "Just like day in my life type of things, you know, just normal stuff." And he was like, "You pranking me?" And I was like, "No, I'm not pranking you." I think it's funny though that like that's the go-to. That's what people think YouTubers do, just like prank people all day. That sweet cream on the top is so freaking thick and it's lasting forever and I love it. I almost forgot to update you all. Now I am at Trader Joe's and we're gonna see if they have these macarons here because I know Trader Joe's is very picky about the snacks that they offer at certain locations.
It was Valentines Day, February the 14th. Baby took me to a special place, said he had a surprise for me.
Of course, they did not have the heart-shaped macarons because Trader Joe's is extremely weird about cute limited edition snacks, which I get, which is fine. Instead, I just got some chocolate covered rice cakes because one of my favorite YouTubers recommended it or whatever. It's been a successful day so far, besides for this, but hey, that's fine. A little bump in the road never hurt. It's cookie time. Ain't that right, Junior?
Put it down a little bit so I can see it.
No, it's fine. Look what I found.
I'm joking.
Oh, cute.
How
How cute they are. All right, so say goodbye to this cute little outfit. I'm gonna change into something more comfy and start a movie and eat my delicious treats. Let me show you guys. So this is my setup. I did put in a little extra effort to make it look cute. You know, that's still junky, but like everything else is cute. I have my balloon, my flowers, my heart thing. Yeah, we love her. Like, she's so cute. She's so gorgeous. Valentine's Day in pink and red. So as you can see, I've managed to do a cute little candlelit solo dinner because I freaking deserve it. Hello. And I'm gonna turn on a cute movie. I think what I'm gonna put on is The Parent Trap. I've been holding off on watching The Parent Trap for like 2 months because I wanted to save it for Valentine's Day. So we're finally gonna start watching The Parent Trap. Dun dun dun. So good. Definitely giving that. Yes! That is it for this video. I had a jam-packed day with you guys. I hope you got some inspiration for how to treat yourself this Valentine's Day, because you absolutely freaking deserve it. Hello. Bye.